Alright, Laser Gnomes is here with our Series 1 Type A Machines 3D printer. We recently just got a new beta option, which is the easy leveling bed nuts. Removes the hex key and wrench and all that other stuff. Go ahead and show you how easy this is here. I'm using one hand. And I'm just going to dial this thumb screw in until my Okay, now that I have it set, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the lower one now to lock that position. Gotta say, it's a fairly simple solution to a fairly complex calibration. Thanks, guys.